question is, knowing how powerful this is, do you want that power? Do you want the kind of power that is being unleashed on the internet by people like Edward here? And he is at $50,000 plus per month in recurring revenue, and he's headed towards $100,000 a month in recurring revenue using this system. Don over here, man, what a great story. He was doing lots of handyman type work. I remember we had a conversation with him on the phone one time, and he was telling us like he was tired of working on knee pads, like wearing knee pads all day and laying carpet and flooring and doing all this kind of work he didn't want to do anymore. So he started implementing exactly this stuff using these types of technologies that Sparxio delivers. And it was a huge day, a huge moment for him when he used this, implemented it, and got a check for $5,600. He was so excited that he cashed it and he spread the money on the seat of his car, took a picture of it, and shared it with us. It's just amazing, that kind of power. The kind of power where you can take over entire pages of Google, monopolize them all day long, and be able to make money in multiple ways with the hybrid niche style, right? You can make money in so many ways. It's up to you. Because in the end of the day, this kind of power where if I just handed something like this that you're looking at right here for an orthodontist, all right, in a metro area, and you had this, you have to ask yourself, can you make money from this? Can you get paid from that? The answer is hell to the yeah. There's no reason you can't. You know, you can unleash this kind of power with the technology. You could do like our many students have done. The question is, what will you do with this power? The kind of power where you can take up lots of spots with this technology and with what we're going to show you, and have so many ways to monetize them, whether you want to be an affiliate and do a pay-per-call deal where you get paid $30 a call, or where you are leasing it to a local business for $500 to $1,000 plus per month. It's up to you what you do with the power. If you want the kind of power that is putting high value deals and passive income in your pocket, Sparxio helps make that possible. It is the smart builder designed and supported with one focus to build stunning money sites that get in front of targeted traffic fast and easy. Build sites, rank sites, monetize sites. Scale your business. Sparxio is built specifically to build, to rank, to bank.